Do you think Java is just another programming language?
That's what Muggles think.
But the truth is, it's magical!
Java was created in 1995.
And today, it powers more than 3 billion devices every day! Android apps,
Websites,
desktop software, servers.
games!
Java helps build them all.
Whoa!
Flying carpets too?
Magic keeps changing, just like technology. Java works on Windows, Mac, Linux, and many by millions.
So Java works almost everywhere.
Look! An enchanted flying car! In the wizarding world, even vehicles can become magical. Java brings your ideas to life.
So Java is like the magic behind technology. Never written code before?
Don't worry, we'll learn together.
One spell, one lesson, one program at a time.
Follow us.
And start your Java adventure today.